Hala, you have so many piercings on your face. That's
Guys,
bad.
don't
That's
click
bad.
don't click real names.
What?
Huh? What did you say, Kia? Oh, hi everyone. We are Lion Gaming 4K, and today we're playing Broken Dreams. So smash that like button.
Subscribe.
Leave a comment.
And hit the
And today we have a very special guest, a very very special person. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
What's your name?
Hi Lion Gaming, I'm Buttercup.
Oh, how about Rico? Okay. For today's shout out, shout out to Wayne Hadang for saying our video has high potential. And shout out to Jan Daryl Concepcion 4066. I love you, Jan Daryl. And shout out to Fritzy Lorraine Esguerra. And shout out to Mizenta Yamashita. Shout out to James Liagas. I love you. I love you. Okay, and today we're playing Broken Dreams. Broken Dreams. Woo!
Oh
God, a broken dream. Oh my god. Oh my god.
my god, this game is already so
Broken
scary.
dream. Wow, so scary.
remember family friendly.
Yes, we're
Yes,
family
we're always
friendly.
family friendly.
Oh my
We
god,
are not
that's high
allowed
as
to
a
say
cat.
Yes.
Yes, we're not allowed to say that. That's bad. That's bad. Okay, so if anyone has schizophrenia, don't watch this. Don't,
That's
don't watch
wrong.
this. It's bad for you. It's bad for you.
Ooh.
Louisiana, USA,
Fast forward.
December 2030.
No,
don't
no.
fast forward. That's bad.
2030 na pala.
No,
Okay,
no,
we should-
Buttercup.
So we
Oh my
should
God,
use
this is in
English.
the future.
EOP.
Oh.
EOP. Hello, why don't we have a
Alright.
face? We don't have a face. Oh no, I think we're like we need to take pills because we're bored and tired of our
Spoiler.
everyday life.
How do you know that?
Because
How do you know
look,
that?
because Luke is
Spoiler.
always repeating. Luke is
Oh.
always repeating.
Oh,
looping.
I
And
see.
I see.
Wait, no. We have to take pills so we're not depressed. We're not depressed. Hey, wait, no. That's wrong. So, see, dream pills.
Oh, you predicted it.
Yes, I predicted it. It's a very, very lucky guess. It's a very, very lucky guess. Oh, so we take dream pills, so we're happy, so we have special dreams, diba? We have special dreams. Oh no, we're black. Oh no, we're not.
Oh, we're throwing the plates.
Oh no, we're throwing the plate.
Oh, we're
Oh no, we got
fired.
fired. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's so rainy.
So sad.
It's so sad. So sad and black, look.
Oh,
Oh no, it's been 10 years. It's been 10 years.
Oh, where
Oh no,
are
where
we?
are we? Where are we? Oh no, we got fired.
Buttercup, we
got
need to
fired.
go. Where do we
Okay,
go?
let's go, Buttercup, let's go.
Press shift.
Go.
Where are we gonna go?
Home.
Hey Kian, don't feel like a main character. Don't go first.
Oh,
Okay,
let's go
let's
to
go to
sleep.
sleep. Let's go to sleep. Let's go to sleep.
What
We need
happened?
to sleep.
Where's our
Where's the
room?
bedroom?
Oh, we need to find a room.
I
It's right
forgot.
here. Oh no. No, it's right here. No, it's right here.
Why is Kian
Oh,
in
it's
the
here.
kitchen?
Here.
What are you
Let's
doing?
go. Let's.
Oh, we're asleep.
Oh no, someone's at the door. Oh no.
Open.
Let's go. It's the window.
Oh,
Oh no, my package. Oh no, it's our dream pills.
How you know?
Because we ordered. Gal, you're such a dumb
Oh.
ass. Don't
no,
say
don't say that.
Oh
Family
no,
friendly,
I'm sorry.
family
No.
friendly.
No, that's no
It's
cut.
family friendly.
Don't say that. No,
That's
cut.
that's
It's
no,
okay.
that's
It's okay.
an example of what you shouldn't say. That's an example
Yes,
of what
it's
you
already
shouldn't
an
say.
example.
Yes. Right, Buttercup.
Yes.
That's bad. Don't say that.
Oh, where are we
Okay.
going? Cloud
Oh, no,
Theater.
Cloud Theater.
So
Wow.
for Batman, you're too loud.
Oh, oh no.
We're
What
so
do
high.
we do? What do we do?
Whatever you aren't
Whatever
looking
you
at.
aren't looking at, you're. Oh no! So because it's a dream, our perspective of the maze or whatever can change.
Let's
Oh,
go over
okay,
here.
okay. Oh no! Look! Oh no! Look!
Stay
We're ano,
together. Oh, where
we
did they
we're
go?
at the.
Where did
they
they
go?
go?
Wait. Oh, I'm
What?
here! I'm here!
That's oh,
You guys
oh,
Where'd
are
they go?
exploding.
oh.
Oh
What?
no!
Oh,
Na-stuck.
they
No!
go.
Go in the corner! Go here in the corner!
Oh, over here.
Yes, go here! Go here! And then here!
What?
Oh!
What?
Wait,
What?
what?
What's happening?
Andito na yung
You
train!
guys
Here's the
have to
train!
activate the
What?
The
computer.
wall. There's a wall.
No, you
There's
guys
a wall.
Here! Oh.
We can't go through.
You
We
have
can't
to
go through.
activate the computers.
Oh, activate the
Yes,
computer.
Go, go.
No, don't
Activate
say
the
that.
computers. Activate the computers. We need to
It's
leave.
already
Ah,
activated.
Sorry.
Oh no.
How
Oh
you
no.
guys doing that? What the hell?
Oy, Kyle got through. Kyle got through.
Oh,
Hi,
I see,
Spider-Man.
I
Where are
see
you? Where are you?
I
Okay,
see
let's
you.
go. Let's go. Let's
Let's
go.
go. Go in,
Don't
go
make
in.
some real. Don't make
Move,
some
move, move. Let's move. Let's go.
real names.
Oh no!
Oh, we're hurry.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this?
More
What's this?
computers.
What's this?
It's the sky train.
Activate. Activate. Okay, okay. Okay, we need to find more computers.
Let's
More,
go.
More, more. I go this way. You go that way.
Stay together.
No, no, no. That's the wrong place.
Okay.
Wrong place at the wrong time.
How do you crouch? How do you crouch? How do
C,
you
C,
Press
C,
C,
press
press
C, press
C.
C.
Easy.
Kyle,
Oh,
down.
where'd they go? Oh.
Guys, it's on.
It's so trippy, so trippy. Oh no, wait, look, there's a staircase.
That's the start.
Oh
What
no,
are you
no,
doing?
that's the start. That's the,
Oh,
that's the start. Wait, no, I think we need to go.
It's
We need to
already
go.
done. It's already done.
Oh, yes,
Oh,
it's done.
Buttercup, let's
Ooh.
go.
Buttercup,
Up.
go, go, go.
We go up.
Go out, go
Yes,
out. Yes,
yes.
go out. Oh, see. We have 14 computers left in the other places. Let's go.
Let's go.
Ala, you have so many piercings on your face. That's
Guys,
bad.
don't
That's
click,
bad.
don't click real names. Buttercup.
What?
Huh?
Kyle,
What did you say,
Kyle,
Kia? Say I couldn't hear you, Kia.
Kyle isn't his real
Kia.
name.
Couldn't hear you.
Kyle is
Oh.
it's his real name.
Okay,
Oh no, Kia. Couldn't hear you. What did you say? Oh no,
Stop.
Kyle.
Are
Whoa,
we
this is
supposed to find computers?
So
yes,
so
yes, we're
beautiful.
supposed. Come to think of
wait.
it, I really
Wait.
hope I don't get any. Oh
Go back,
yes,
go back.
Oh,
oh yes, we shouldn't get nightmares. That's bad. That's bad. I don't like nightmares.
Buttercup, we need to go.
And yes, yes.
no,
Oh
wrong way.
oh no.
Where?
Where do we go? Where do we go?
Yo.
Hey.
Where? Where are you?
So Batman is what's your name? Exclusive is lost.
Oh no! Where did you go? Where did you go?
No.
Oh, where did you go?
Oh, over here, over
Oh,
here.
hi,
Oh,
hi.
hey.
Okay, let's go. So,
Oh, what's
so
this?
beautiful.
Please proceed left.
Cloud. Oh no, we're in Cloud Theater. Cloud Theater. Look, it's Cloud Theater.
Yes.
Storage. Oh no, it's locked. Let's find computers.
Andito na pa tayo sa cloud.
Hey, no, EOP. Oh my. EOP. That's bad. EOP. EOP. Don't say that.
Hurry again.
We're in
The dream
oh, no,
theater.
we're- Yes, we're in our dream.
Yes. What happens when I
What
get all
happens
of
when
the
I get all the
computers?
computers? Oh no, what will happen?
Yeah, I wonder. Up ahead to see a room.
Oh no, hi Spider-Man, where are you? You're
Over
such a
here,
dumb
over
ass.
here.
Guys,
No,
don't
don't
say
say
that,
that.
That's
That's bad.
an example of what.
Oh, where do we
That's
go?
an example of what you shouldn't say because guys, that's bad.
yes.
We're super family friendly and we will spoon feed you with family
Family
friendliness.
friendly content.
Oh no, what place?
Exclusives, where do we go? Don't know
Oh, we
where
need to
go.
find computers. You're so useless. Find computers.
There's no computers. Oh, Buttercup.
Buttercup, hi Buttercup. See,
Where's-
oh, there's a computer. There's a computer.
Where's CVs?
Ito, here's CVs, CVs.
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 Oh, Silent Z.
Oh, so Zeev, Zeev. Hi Zeev.
Z's.
Oh,
my.
Zeev. Okay.
Okay. Hi,
Are there
Z's.
no more computers?
This place has been relaxing and
What did Buttercup
just a
say?
humor. Buttercup,
Are
what
there
did you
more?
say?
Are there more computers?
Oh,
Yes,
maybe,
yes.
maybe.
Yes. Hey guys, shout out to Alicia, Kyle Adato's girlfriend.
Oh,
Shout out.
Shout out, and
Oh
And
no!
and shout out to Gab. No, shout out to.
Oh, hey, where
Hi
are
guys,
we?
we're in a school. We're in a school. So this is another dream.
Oh, this is the
Oh.
Dream Elementary.
Oh no, I remember this. Oh wait, no spoilers. We haven't played this game yet, diba?
Oh,
Is
it's
this
very
We
nightmare?
dark.
haven't played this.
Where are
But
we?
Is this nightmare?
but I can predict that we will adjust clocks later with a monster chasing us.
Whoa.
I can predict that. I'll predict that because
Oh.
I have predictability
Oh.
100%.
yan.
Oh.
We have to turn clocks to 12:15 with a monster chasing
up.
us.
Oh, there's a monster?
Yes, there's a monster.
Oh no, cafeteria.
Okay. Oh, see, that would make time move forward. That's a clock.
Oh, you
Ooh.
predicted the clock. You're
Yes,
so
I
good.
How did you know that? You're so.
Because
You're so good.
because I have
Oh.
predictability ability. See, look. 8:15, yo. Yes. Oh no.
Oh,
Ano to?
8:15.
Yes,
That's
it's
8:15?
How do we change it? Oh,
8:15.
Turn it.
so 8:15. Okay, go.
Oh, how do you? What's happening?
8:15?
How do you change clock hands? Wait.
You click switch clock hand on the bottom.
Okay. Let's start the school day. It's 8:15. Wow, it's so late in the morning. We start
Wow,
school at
it's so happy
6:45.
now.
Wow,
It's so bright. It's so bright.
Okay, let's go head back to the classroom. Guys, I have prediction in my mind that we have to turn like 10 clocks in the hallways with a bad teacher chasing us.
How did you know
Oh,
that?
you think?
Because
You think?
yes, I think because it's my ability to predict predictability. It's my ability.
Oh, it's your power.
Yes,
Your
it's my powers.
predictability is your ability.
Yes, my predictability is my ability. Yes.
Stay together. I'm scared.
No, shut
Oh.
up.
You
You're
never
not
know.
scared.
You never know what will happen.
Oh no, class has started. Guys, be quiet, be quiet.
My name is Missy and
Oh my
I'll be
god, your
your
voice is so sexy, Missy.
No, you can't say that.
No, don't cut that.
one.
Oh no, she has one eye. Oh no. Okay, guys, let's listen. Oh no, we know each other forever and ever. My name is Super Batman.
What should we
wait, I
answer?
What does your name stand?
What does the C in my name stand? Let's begin today's lesson by learning about different
It's
cultures.
making something
This is
stand up,
Kitty.
you know.
My
That
name
voice
is
is making
Miss
something
Kitty.
stand up.
But just
Here
call
we
me
Oh,
Miss.
she's called Miss Crazy.
Oh, Miss Crazy.
Cultures, traditions,
She's
and
caregiver.
specific group values.
Wow, it's our
Different
our
cultures have
teacher
different languages,
Buttercup.
beliefs, and
Oh,
oh, what's this? You have something to say?
Yes, I want to travel the world.
That's a good plan. It's good to travel the world when you grow up. Make sure to send me your photos of your travels.
Yes, I'll send you.
Oh,
I'll
it's
send you
recess
something else
already.
too.
Time flies so fast.
oh.
You can go
What
anywhere
pictures will you
you want
send?
in school. You may be new, but you've been here forever.
What?
Hey,
Why did you say that? That's so weird.
I'll also predict something that when the teacher dismisses us, it will be so scary like their shadows of other kids.
Hey, exclusive.
Oh.
I heard you Tagalog. I heard you Filipino.
No, I'm
What?
not Tagalog. I'm Australian. I'm Australian.
Oh, me too.
I'm Australian.
Yes.
Okay, okay. 205. Guys, beware of the teacher. There's a teacher.
Oh, what's?
Alright.
Oh, I hear something. Did you guys hear that? Careful.
No, I did not hear.
No, run,
Oh no,
run,
go back
run,
in the classroom,
run,
classroom.
run.
Go to the classroom. Wait, no, just here, look.
Run,
Where
series.
Look, he's so blurry, oh, he's so blurry when you look at him.
Oh.
I
Where?
wonder why. Okay, let's go. Guys, we need to split up. We need we need to split up.
It's not on us.
Okay. It's
Watch
2:05.
watch our backs.
Okay, I'll watch your back.
Okay, this one's done.
Oh no, go.
How do you
Go
do
no.
this?
Buttercup, go.
What's
Go
happening?
here, go here.
Right,
Oh
CBs.
no, he's chasing us.
CBs, run. CBs,
Guys, he's here.
CBs, run.
Go. Oh, Buttercup,
CBs,
run.
run.
Buttercup, run. Oh no.
CBs.
Oh no, wait. Shh.
Get out.
He's not here. Shh, come.
Let's go back.
Shh, be quiet, be quiet.
They're
Be
dead.
quiet.
I-
Don't. Oh no,
Oh,
go. Oh, he's so fast. Go here. No, CBs, go.
Go, we need to hide.
Don't hide there. Oh my, you're such a dumb ass.
He's
Okay, let's
leaving.
go.
No, don't say that.
Say that. Don't say that.
Okay. Okay, go. He's in the cafeteria.
Have you fixed that? That yet?
Okay. Go. Fix clocks. He's in the
Yes.
cafeteria.
I think that's the last one.
No. There's more in
Run.
There's more in the
One
cafeteria.
more.
Run.
No, there's more in the cafeteria.
Oh, four more.
No.
Guys, there's
Oh,
my
I'm back.
clock sa cafeteria. There's clocks in the cafeteria. Oh no,
More
Buttercup, run! Oh wait, no, don't run. Let's go. Go in the cafeteria.
Kian,
Go.
run.
Hi, Spider-Man! Distract him. We'll fix
Okay,
clocks in the
okay.
cafeteria. Distract him.
He's
distract
coming
him.
there. He's coming there.
Distract him. Hurry.
He's running away from me. He's there.
Where?
Cafeteria.
Oh no, I died.
Run.
Wait.
Run. Oh no. Buttercup.
Buttercup,
no.
run.
Oh no.
They got me.
Guys, wait.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Where are you guys?
This game is very hard.
No, it's
Yeah,
not.
yeah.
You're just bad.
It's very scary too.
Guys, go to the cafeteria. Oh no.
We need to run. He's following me. I'll distract him.
Okay, go.
I
He
think there's
got
one
me, he
more
got
in
me.
cafeteria.
Okay, I'm coming back. I'm following him. He's going there. Run.
Oh,
Run.
no, Ziggy, you're alive.
Run. Oh.
Oh no.
Run,
I
CBs.
didn't die.
Buttercup, let's go. Oh no. Oh no.
I think you can hide under the table.
Yeah.
Are you
I'll
guys?
distract him. Run.
Where's the other? Run.
Hide here. Over here.
Guys, check the
Oh.
classroom.
I got caught.
Oh.
Easy.
Okay, well
Nice,
done.
Good job.
Welcome back.
Nice.
It's the last
Oh,
hour
it's
of the
Miss. Move on.
For our last activity, it will be drawing. It doesn't matter if you're an artist or not. No one's
Drawing?
going to stop you from expressing your feelings in the world you were made on paper. I don't draw myself, so if you ask me for help, I'll just tell you to paint yourself in the top right corner.
Oh, we're inside the painting.
Drawing.
Oh, I'm sorry. Drawing.
Oh, it's a visual art. It's a visual art.
Yes. Where did you learn that?
Oh no, we're in the back room.
Oh, it's
Yes,
very scary here.
Guys, let's stick together and be forever.
Yes.
Okay.
Who knows? ZBs, don't
Where are you, ZBs?
I'm supposed to find.
Buttercup, let's go. Upstairs.
How do you go up?
Oh wait, here.
Where?
The stairs.
The stairs. Where are you?
I'm lost.
Go back.
I'm lost.
Go back. Go back. Over here.
Yay.
Oh, what's happening?
Oh, we drew
Wow.
this.
Wow, so good.
Which one? The drawing or the food?
Both. It's both good.
Yes.
Oh.
Guys, never forget to eat your lunch and never forget to smash that like button.
Oh, what else did we draw?
Hello? You awake, dear? Seems like you were lost in your own world. You know, it's already the end of the day. Don't be late getting home. I'll always care for you. We'll see each other again.
We see each
Bye
other
bye.
again.
Bye.
I don't want to see you again.
Oh, it's the end of class.
Guys, look, this part is so scary. Look. See,
Oh,
it's
how did you
scary.
predict it?
Oh, how do you know that?
Oh, we need
Guys,
to avoid
don't,
them.
Don't touch the shadows. Don't touch
Careful,
the shadows.
careful.
You're so dumb. You're so dumb. You're so dumb. No. Follow
No,
the
don't say
kids,
that.
Follow the
Oh,
kids.
no,
Don't,
I'm
don't,
dead.
Don't go there. Follow the kids. Follow the kids. Guys, where
They
are you
touched,
going?
they
Oh,
touched
no.
me. They touched me.
Guys, follow the kids. We need to go out
Yes,
here.
yes. We're there, Kyle.
Oh no, I died.
Oh. Careful. Yes, keep going. Careful.
Guys, where are you guys?
I'm
Go.
stuck.
Going home.
Why
Why
did you
never
never
play?
with your brother? They killed me.
Need to go. It's so scary.
They want to kill
Oh
me.
no.
You died?
Yes. Be careful. Oh. Oh, we're in the grassy
no.
beach.
Oh, where are we?
What is this place?
Grassy beach.
Yes.
Oh no, look, we're swimming.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh, we're swimming.
Oh. There's a text. It's just a dream.
Oh, what do we need to do?
Where?
Guys, what do we need to do?
I think we just need to walk.
No, I think we need to find dream orbs. Yes, dream orbs.
Oh.
I think I can predict
Predict,
it.
predict.
Predictability is my ability, and my ability is predictability.
Oh, it's very bright.
Oh, it's so bright. Oh, see, I need to recollect memories. I'm so good.
Why
I'm
are
so
there
good.
many of you?
Huh? No, there's not.
Kyle.
Is this you?
Yes. Jump.
Jump, okay.
Okay.
Okay, it's me.
Why are you guys teleporting?
Oh. It's
Ian, jump if
CBs.
that's you.
Are we in a loop?
Okay, what do
Oh,
we do?
where are we? Is this you?
Please.
Oh no.
Oh, why
Happened.
is there a giant black screen?
It's
This.
it's just a dream.
Boom.
Let's touch it. Oh.
Whoa. Who's that?
Can you use your predictability?
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so we spawn in a stone world, and we need to avoid
Oh,
those.
the
No, see, I'm
twist. How do you
talking.
know? How did you
Follow
know?
that.
And
Oh my gosh.
wait, no, and there's stone people, and and we can't see all of them at once. Like there's different stone people for each one of us, so we need
Don't
to
go
Don't run,
avoid them
inside.
accordingly. Don't
run.
don't go inside. You'll die.
How did you
Oh,
know that?
Run.
Because predictability is my
Stupid, don't
ability,
run.
and my
Why?
ability is
Why shouldn't we
predictability.
run? Do you have
No, wait,
predictability
guys,
too?
wait, stop, stop,
Your
stop,
phone's
stop, wait,
getting
stop.
faster if you
Guys,
run.
Oh,
I'll explain something. So, the stone people is like another version of you, so it copies your movement. So, if you run, it also runs. So you just need to walk, because I just used my
oh,
predictability, and my ability is
oh.
I
predictability.
see.
See, look, there's mine. I can see mine. He's in the black
Yes,
room.
me
Look.
too.
Look, see, he's copying me. Oh, look, he's copying. He's copying us. He's
Oh,
copying
where's he
us.
going?
No, he's copying Kian. Look, he's copying Kian. Don't run. Don't
Don't
run.
run.
Don't go near him. Don't go near him. Oh no.
Oh no,
Don't
Buttercup.
go near him. He's
I
only
died,
Need
I
to
died.
stop
run.
walking. Stop walking. Stop walking. Stop walking. Stop.
You don't need to stop walking.
Okay, guys, he's gone.
Okay,
He's gone. He's gone. Let's go.
let's go, let's
Kian.
go.
At
See
some
each other.
point.
Please see. Look. Please do not run. Look, guys. Look.
If you panic, I
See,
take over.
don't run. Oh,
Oh.
see.
Okay, let's go
I
inside.
told you, because predictability is my ability.
I think I'm lost.
Go back.
It's okay. It's okay. Just do your best. Just do your best.
Collect some
Oh,
coins.
we're stuck. Let's go back. Okay. Wait. I'll go here. I'll go this part.
Okay, I'll go this way.
Where are you?
Wala, there's a dark maze here.
Oh,
King
wait,
Carl, is
I
that
see
you?
him.
Is that you, King Carl? Are you in the maze? Are you in the
Yeah.
maze?
No, no. Yes,
Wait, look.
yes.
I found the coin. Guys, collect the coins we needed for the fair.
How do you know? How do you know?
Because Kyle, you're so dumb. Predictability is my ability.
Oh.
Oh no!
Yes.
He cornered me.
Guys, just don't run, guys. Just don't run. If you panic, he takes over.
Guys, 5 more coins left.
I have
Alright.
2 coins.
I have one. I have three. I have
I have
three.
3 coins.
I found the most coins. Like,
I have no. I have no coins.
Oh no, King Carl. Oh no,
No.
Spider-Man, you're so
Oh no.
useless. You're so useless.
hi, Spider-Man useless.
That's not my name.
Extras. Useless.
Yes. No. Oh.
Hey, King Carl, is that you?
Yes, my clone is following me.
I see 2 coins. I see 2 coins. I see 2
My
coins.
clone is not following me yet. See, I
coins.
told you it's from our own perspectives. Let's go here. Oh no, how do
I
we
see
get
2
out?
coins.
1 coin.
No, don't touch the black smoke. It's very bad.
Racist,
Guys,
racist.
how do we
No.
get out? I'm in a very, very dark maze.
All I see is black.
I'm in a very dark maze. Oi, King Carl, behind you! Oh no, it's my clone. It's my clone. Sorry.
Oh no.
Oh, Buttercup.
Oh, it's
Buttercup.
exclusive.
Oh.
Hi, Buttercup. Guys, go.
Coin.
Take it.
Nice, nice.
Oh, please.
My
let me leave.
clone is following me. Oh no,
we
he's
need to get out,
gone.
we need to get out because
Let's
look,
go,
because
let's
look,
go.
It said, please let me leave.
Don't run, don't
Please let
run.
me leave. Oh, what's
It's
that?
okay. My clone isn't there.
Okay, it's the exit. It's the exit.
What? What happened?
No, it's a cutscene.
Not you again.
Oh, just back out. Get away. No, I think this is a nightmare.
All I wanted is to be happy.
Wow. Oh, that felt like a fever dream.
Happened. Is that it?
Oh! Hey guys, it's the end of chapter 1.
Chapter
Stay
one,
tuned.
please stay tuned for the next part.
Yes, you can see.
Look,
As you can
look,
see.
guys, we have so many fans. We have so
Yes.
many fans. Guys, look, we have so many fans.
Shout out to
Okay,
them.
guys, screenshot.
Yay!
Bye bye.